Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by preparing your phone and the Kicks. Plug an Apple-certified Lightning cable into the Kicks USB port marked for smartphone use. Make sure the iPhone is unlocked. On the phone, turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi so CarPlay can initialize. Once the first connection is established, the car will prefer wired or wireless CarPlay per model. If a prompt appears on the Nissan screen or your iPhone, tap Allow so CarPlay can access navigation, messages, and audio. Once done connecting, authorize CarPlay on both the Nissan screen and your iPhone so the systems exchange permissions. After authorization, you can customize app order from iPhone settings under CarPlay for the Kicks. This affects what appears on the Nissan display. Make sure Siri is enabled for voice commands. You'll use it for navigation and messages to reduce distraction. Use the steering wheel buttons, touchscreen, or Siri, whichever feels natural, to launch maps, calls, or music while keeping your hand. Finish by testing core functions. Start navigation to confirm directions, make a hands-free call, and play audio to verify sound routing. If CarPlay won't connect, make sure the Lightning cable is Apple certified and try another cable. Reboot the iPhone and cycle the Kicks infotainment power. Once done, check iOS updates and CarPlay settings on your phone. Make sure the Kicks isn't blocked under settings. If problems persist, reset network settings as a last step or consult Nissan support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.